Hi guys, it's DJ. Hope you guys are doing fantastic like always. Welcome to my blog. Guess what? I got my curtains. See that? So you guys won't be seeing my mess in the background. Um, so I'm happy. Yay! But aside from that, I got something else that I'm happy about, which is I got my glossy box. I got this yesterday, 2 days ago, and because currently it's 1:16 in the morning, so 2 days ago. Because on that day I was busy, I wasn't able to record it, opening it. I wasn't able to open it and record it. And yesterday we had an emergency, so I'm just opening it now. I'm excited to find out what's inside. So, are you guys excited too? So let's see what's inside, okay?
I took my time, I never touched. When we danced, you teased me all night. Sugar rush, just give me a taste tonight. Oh girl, you're too much. I'm burning up right now and I need your touch. Come on, let's take a ride.